all, welcome back. After a fairly long break, I'm back. Here I am cooking some chicken cheese pasta that my family is in love with. In some hot melted butter, I've added generous amount of garlic and boneless diced chicken. Then I'm adding some capsicum and onions. Adding some soy sauce to it, and then I'll saute it for a little while. At this stage, I'll add the boiled pasta and some seasonings like salt, pasta mix, pepper, and chili flakes. Once you have mixed it well, layer it up with the cheese slices. You may use any cheese that is available with you. It's a super simple recipe that I saw on YouTube and modified it as per our taste buds. I have prepared this recipe using macaroni, but you can go ahead and try this recipe using spaghetti, tortellini, penne, or any kind of pasta that is available with you because it's a very basic recipe.
This, this, this pasta this time was not my favorite, but now it's favorite. How about
This was another day from the month of December. It was Ashwin's birthday, so we went out for a lunch, and after the lunch, we went for a couple of rounds of bowling. In the same mall, very interestingly, we noticed this temporary setup which was a dinosaur themed space. More than rhythm, Ashwin and I were excited to explore this place. You know how there are these few things that we do for our kids, but actually it's to make the inner child in us happy? This video is a compilation of several events that happened on different days while I wasn't uploading videos on YouTube. But of course, I shot these because I felt even if not immediately, these clips are worth sharing whenever I'm back. Here's another interesting snack that everyone in my family loves. You can call it chicken gujiya or chicken samosa. Khair, naam mein kya rakha hai? In some mustard oil, I've added chopped onion, garlic, and some minced chicken. I'll add haldi, jeera powder, dhania powder, chili powder, and some garam masala powder to it. I'll cook everything well together until it starts leaving the bottom of the pan. And then I'll turn the stove off. After this, you have to add a generous amount of freshly chopped dhania and some boiled potatoes to it. I add potatoes because it helps bind the chicken very well. इसके बाद we can use this stuffing inside a chapati or samosa, or even you can make simply tikkis out of it and pan fry. Eat it in any form and you will love it. To prepare the dough for gujiya, I've added some oil, salt and ajwain to it. Now we usually don't cook a lot of fried food, but during the month of festivities, you know how such dishes bring the true festive vibes, and no matter what, it's unavoidable. This particular snack holds memories from my hometown. A very close and dear auntie who lived in our neighborhood served this to us for the first time. I loved it and took the recipe from her verbally. Of course, I have prepared it several times after that, but what she served was simply amazing. Well, honestly speaking, I prefer making stuffed chicken paratha out of it on usual days as I find it as a much healthier option. So if you loved the recipe and you want to try it but not deep fry it, you can definitely do the same. Here's the third and the last dish which holds a very special place in my heart. So we are making kalkas, which is originally a traditional Goan pastry shaped in curls. Now, it's a Christmas snack that is prepared in most Christian households during Christmas in every state with a slight variation. I'm just using rava, wheat flour, sugar, and coconut milk to prepare this dough. Trust me, this might sound simple, but it turns out super delicious. We first make marble sized balls and then spread it on a comb and then curl it up in this manner. Of course, we do get kulkul making equipments in market, but I have always seen my papa and ma prepare it this way. So I find it really comfortable sticking to the comb method. Now this is a wooden comb that I keep separate and use it only for this purpose. You can prepare these curls with the help of a fork too. This is one dish I would highly recommend each one of you to try. And surely do not skip the icing part at the end because it simply adds to the taste. And also, kids fall in love with it.
Come see this process. Come here fast. What is that? Sugar. Look at
Around the end of December, like most years, we decided to go on a trip. And this time, it was Gwalior. During this time, I had edited and uploaded the bedroom makeover video. Also, there happened a lot of festival related cooking, cleaning, and whatnot. I was overwhelmed and worked up. Well aware that this trip would slow me down and my planned videos might get delayed, I decided to take this break. This Kesaria Doodh shop was crowded with people. If you are in Gwalior, they say you must visit this shop and try the Kesaria Doodh here. Fortunately, this shop was just across the street from where we stayed. This area is a bit full of rush, but since we wanted to experience this heritage stay, we went ahead to book it anyway. This Haveli is named as KRISHNAYAN Heritage Homestay. The structure has been standing for 100 years now. The owners of the Haveli, which is Falke family, live upstairs while the huge 9 to 10 rooms downstairs are given for homestay. I fell in love with the architecture when Ashwin showed its pictures to me. Now there's something about heritage sites that truly attracts us. The very next day, we went ahead to explore the city's main attractions, which included Scindia Palace, Gurudwara Data Bandi Chod, Gwalior Fort, etc. I was so excited and thrilled to explore these places that I could barely remember to take videos of it. I have still managed to take some that you can see here.
सब खेल रही है ना साथ में देख कितने भाग गई
The trip was over, and before our train timing, we had these free hours left. So we decided to take Rhythm to a zoo which she has never been to before. She loved the experience, and so did we. Well, on that note, I'll wrap up. Very soon with the homemaking videos, I'll be back. After a break of around 3 weeks, I really miss editing my homemaking videos.
Who are they fighting?
Just like that. Oh my god.
I hope you enjoyed this video and found it entertaining too. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and take care. Bye bye.